Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone disconnects from Wi-Fi when locked. Many iPhone users might encounter the exasperating situation where the iPhone disconnects from Wi-Fi when locked. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, reconnect Wi-Fi network. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. And then tap on forget this network. Tap on forget again to confirm. After forgetting your network, go to Wi-Fi and then rejoin the network again by entering its password, and you are done. And the next step is turn your configure proxy to automatic. iPhone disconnecting from Wi-Fi when locked may be caused by an HTTP proxy problem. Changing your configure proxy to automatic can help you get rid of this issue. For this, go to settings. Next, go to Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to it. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of configure proxy. Tap on it. Next, tap automatic and then choose save at the top right corner of the screen, and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider appear, then slide to power off, wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is disable networking and wireless service. For this, open settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Next, tap on location services at the top. Next, scroll down and go to system services. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and go to option of networking and wireless. Tap on its toggle button to disable it and then choose turn off to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is turn on auto join. Auto join is a wonderful feature allowing you to join any Wi-Fi network that has credentials, and it can open Wi-Fi network without requiring you to do anything. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi option. Next, tap on the icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Here you will see the option of auto join. Tap on its toggle button to enable it, and you are done. And the next step is disable VPN. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and choose VPN option. Next, tap on its toggle button, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS system. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and go to general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, then choose reset and choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone disconnects from Wi-Fi when locked, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.